Hi everyone, welcome to Tichu's Magic Touch. So today we are going to prepare a very unique milkshake, and that is Paan Milkshake. Isn't it unique? First we are going to take 3 betel leaves or paan patta. First of all, we have to chop these leaves finely. Something like this. Now in a small mixing jar, we are going to put the chopped betel leaf. This is the 3 tablespoons of gulkand. This is a fine powder made using 3 tablespoons of fennel seeds and 4 cardamoms. Now we have to make the fine paste of it. So after making the paste, it will look something like this. So next we are going to take the blender. First we have to add 3 spoons of this paste into the blender. Now we have to pour around 50 ml of this chilled milk. In the last step, we have to add around 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now we are going to blend this into a smooth paste. Sorry guys, I could not mention that I have also added 2 teaspoons of sugar to the milkshake, as I could not capture the video of it. So here is our milkshake ready. So the next step is to garnish our milkshake. This is our red tutti frutti. This is a kind of small paan leaf which is available in any paan shop. Now finally we are going to garnish it with silver pearls. Do follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.